Millions in Syria and Iraq are facing water shortages as the region's longest river, the Euphrates, dries up.
This river holds a special significance because it played a vital role in the birth of some of the earliest civilizations in human history.
The Euphrates River, once the heart of ancient civilizations, is drying up, and with it, mysteries of the past are emerging. From the rise and fall of cities like Mari to prophecies in the Bible,
the Euphrates River continues to dry up as prophesied within the Bible.
The river's significance reaches far beyond its waters. Today, political tensions and environmental changes threaten its flow, uncovering ancient treasures and revealing unsettling truths.
The river has revealed a treasure trove of historical artifacts and lost cities. The river's receding waters have unveiled 6 distinct civilizations, each with unique antiques and treasures.
In this video, we dive into the Euphrates' rich history, its current struggles, and its connection to future events. Stay tuned. The Euphrates River is more than just a beautiful stream of water. It holds many hidden stories. The river flows through Turkey, Syria, and Iraq. It was very important to ancient people. It gave them water for farming and helped them grow food. Many cities grew along the river, like Sippar, Nippur, Shuruppak, Mari, and Uruk. These cities grew strong because of the river. They used the water to farm, fish, and trade. The river helped their economies thrive. The Euphrates was mentioned in old texts from more than 5,000 years ago. The Sumerians called it Buranuna. This river has been part of history for thousands of years, watching empires rise and fall. The name of the river is also linked to an old city called Sippar in Iraq. The river and the city were both important for many reasons, not just for money, but also for their culture and religion. The people living near the Euphrates saw it as a source of life. It's possible the city's name came from the river, or the other way around. Either way, the river was key to their survival and success. The Euphrates River has always been important in old stories. In Greek myths, it was one of 4 rivers from the Garden of Eden. The Bible talks about it in Genesis as a river that watered the garden. It was also linked to Ishtar, the goddess of love and war, in Mesopotamian myths. People have admired the river for centuries, and it still impresses visitors today. This river was a life source, giving water for farming, travel, and daily needs. But now it is starting to dry up, facing many threats. One reason is climate change. Higher temperatures cause more water to evaporate, leaving less to flow downstream. Dams and water projects also take water from the river. These human-made changes stop the river from flowing like it used to, harming fish and polluting the water. The Euphrates is no longer the river it once was. Even so, the Euphrates remains important in history and religion. In the Bible, it is said to dry up for the kings of the East to pass through at the world's end. Who these kings are is debated. Some think they are China and other Asian nations, while others see them as symbols of growing powers. The Bible said the king of the East would have an army of 200 million. Back then, it seemed impossible. But now, China has an army of over 200 million. This is just as the Bible predicted. The king of the East, whoever they are, will be powerful in the end times. The final battles will take place in the Valley of Armageddon. The battle will be about gold, the most precious thing in the world. The Euphrates River will be important. The kings of the East must cross it to reach Armageddon. The river blocks armies from moving west, making it key in any fight. Gold has always meant power and wealth. It has helped build civilizations and create new ideas. Recently, a video showed gold miners near the Euphrates. They were picking up gold like it was nothing. This was both amazing and strange. Could this be the golden mountain prophet Muhammad talked about? He said the Euphrates would soon show gold. People shouldn't take any. Many have thought about this prophecy, but the video could mean it's coming true. If there is a gold mountain, it would lead to big fights, with everyone wanting a piece. But it's more than just greed. It has a deeper meaning. The Bible tells us that when the Euphrates River dries up, it's a sign Jesus is coming soon. Matthew 24:44 says, "Be ready, for the Son of Man will come when you least expect it." In Revelation 9:14-15 it says, "Release the 4 angels at the Euphrates River, and they will destroy 1/3 of the world in a year, a month, a day, and an hour." This is a scary prophecy of a time when many people will die. We must not just look at the world and see things happen. we need to understand their deeper meaning. The Bible gives us clues. In Revelation 17:15, it says, "The waters you saw stand for people from all nations, languages, and tribes." The water represents people from every part of the world. If we look around today, we see more people turning to evil. It's happening everywhere, not just in one place. The spread of darkness is clear. Revelation 16:12 says it makes way for the kings of the east. The river starts in Turkey and flows through Iraq, showing how these things could soon happen. Now first, like always, be sure to hit the like button down below. It helps us out tremendously with the reach of this video. Thank you. Countries east of Israel, like Syria, Iraq, Iran, and Jordan, don't get along with them. As the world grows darker, the battle between good and evil is clearer. The enemy, who wants to deceive and destroy, hates God's people, the Jews, and those who follow Christ. In Revelation 17:16-17, we see a clear divide between those who follow God and those who oppose him. The beast, a symbol of the Antichrist spirit, leads people to turn away from their faith and follow a life that goes against God's will. The river drying up in Revelation is a symbol of the broken bond between humans and the one who gives life. It shows the death and separation that come from turning away from God. As followers of Christ, we must be alert to the enemy's lies. We need to guard our hearts and stay strong in our faith, no matter what. Those who support the Babylon system, representing the world's ways, are going against God. In time, they will see their mistake and turn away from it. God will guide them to fulfill his plan and give their kingdom to the beast until his work is done. Their hearts will harden, and they will destroy the system they once followed. We are in a spiritual battle. We must stay strong and faithful, even when it's tough. We must pray for those who are deceived, asking God to soften their hearts and turn them to him before it's too late. The battle between good and evil is real, and it's all around us. In Iraq, the Euphrates River has dried up, uncovering treasures from ancient times. These discoveries give us a look into the lives of people who lived there long ago. One of the greatest finds was in the ancient city of Mari, near the Euphrates in modern Syria. In 2017, archaeologists uncovered a 4,000-year-old complex hidden beneath the river's waters. A long time ago, the palace complex was the heart of the Mari kingdom, a powerful city. It helps us understand how people lived and ruled in the ancient world. The discovery of the palace was a big step forward in learning about the past. As the Euphrates River dried up, more and more treasures appeared, showing us the story of this land. One of the most important discoveries was Dura Europos, an ancient city founded by the Seleucid Empire. It was a busy city where people of all cultures and beliefs met, worked, and traded. The ruins today still tell us how these people lived and worshipped along the river. But there's more. Archaeologists found hidden caves beneath the river, many thousands of years old. These caves stretch far underground with tunnels and rooms. Some even had homes, food storage, and temples. The walls of these caves show drawings of everyday life, religion, and creatures from ancient myths. Archaeologists exploring these caves made amazing discoveries. They found old tablets in one cave, and in another, a crystal-clear lake reflected stunning stone formations. The caves were connected by tunnels. Some led to new places, while others led to long-abandoned settlements. Not all of what they found was peaceful. In some caves, they found signs of human sacrifice. One cave had bones arranged in a circle, while another had carvings showing blood and harm. These discoveries reveal a darker side of ancient times, leaving us to wonder what other secrets are buried deep underground. Looking at the dry banks of the Euphrates, we ask ourselves, could this be more than just a coincidence? Some believe the river, once a lifeline, holds a deeper meaning.
Millions in Syria and Iraq are facing water shortages as the region's longest river, the Euphrates, dries up.
For over 6,000 years, Iraq has relied on the Euphrates River for farming. Civilizations rose and fell, leaving ruins behind. But since World War II, the need for water has increased, putting pressure on the river. Turkey and Syria also share the Euphrates and are building dams to control the water. These new projects are putting even more strain on the river's supply. Once these projects are done, there won't be enough water left in the river. Iraq will feel it the most because it is at the bottom. There has been fighting over water between Syria and Iraq for years. As Turkey and Syria use more water for farming, this problem will only grow. The river is drying up, and this is causing stress. As people fight over water, greed could make things worse. The situation is hard to fix because of political and economic problems. Some say the countries should work together, but others think that won't happen because of politics. Either way, it's clear that whoever gets the water will cause trouble. In 2023, experts say we will see a lot of change, but it might also be the year when rivers run dry and reveal big issues. The US is already dealing with water and food shortages, while countries in Asia keep growing their economies. As we see these events unfold, it feels like something bad is coming. We hope this video helped you understand the situation. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon with another video. Until then, take care and stay safe. Thanks for watching.